Quick review here on the 1200 pack of staples used with a hot stapler like this. You can pick these guns up on Amazon. Staple goes into the gun like this. I've done a lot of these repairs. I've actually been using this gun now for about 2 years, and it comes in real handy, especially if you're repairing a lot of these plastic John Deere hoods, plastic bumpers on cars, motorcycle flarings, pretty much anything that has plastic. I've already got a couple in this right here, but basically all you do is put that into the gun. You'll see that if you pull that trigger, that gets red hot, and it will melt its way down into the plastic. So you can hold that and then just let off of it once you get it down into the plastic. There are 2 different sizes that come with this kit. You've got a thinner staple that's really good for like these little brackets and pieces like that, and then you've got the thicker ones here that I like to use on bigger items like the thickness of a John Deere hood. They can be put on the back side where you don't see them, and then if you want to finish the product after that, you can finish it on the top side without this being in the way. So I'll show you real quick here how this works. You just get your crack lined up, square that up with the crack, and you got to be careful not to push this too far through because it will go all the way out the other side. So pull the trigger after you get it where you want it, set it down on there. Once it gets to the depth you want, let go of the trigger, let that staple cool down a little bit, and then pull it off. And that works really well for making a simple repair like this. If you want to see an in-depth video on how to completely restore a hood like this, I have another full-length video right here that you're going to want to check out.